give God praise all over your house. If you know that God is great and worthy of all the praise, then I need you to make your living room a sanctuary right quick and give God praise even in the midst of a pandemic. Come on, I said give God praise even in the midst of a pandemic. If you know that God is great, if you know that God is kind, if you know that God has kept you, if you know that God has never left you, come on, take about 20 seconds and just give God praise all over your house right now. God has kept you. God is keeping you. God is sustaining you. Come on, I need you to take about 20 more seconds and just give God praise and thank him right now. Come on, thank him, thank him. Come on, thank him right now. You didn't wake up this morning off your own strength, but it was God's grace. It was God's mercy. It was God's goodness. It was God's kindness. Now, come on, don't wait until the pandemic is over, but praise God right now.
That when you worry, and y'all, we worrying too much. Listen, we're worrying about if you're going to get the virus. You're worrying about coming to an empty church. You're worrying about if you're going to bring it back home. You're worrying about who's got. Stop worrying about who's got it. I don't have it. I hope I don't get it. What you do right now, but take about 5 seconds when I get through preaching and thank God you don't have it now. And say, God, but if I do contact it, thank God you're a keeper, you're a healer, you're everything I need you to be. So God, whether I get it, don't get it, I thank you, I praise you just because of who you are.
Good morning, guys. It is Thursday morning and I am up making grits and sausage, bacon, toast. My plate is already fixed. My husband already ate. And Isaiah will probably make him some eggs when he gets up. But that's breakfast today. So this is Mister's plate. We have chicken breast, fried, and then macaroni and cheese, mixed vegetables with cheese on it, and a sweet potato with, oh goodness, honey, butter, brown sugar, and cinnamon. And Isaiah has country fried steak, mac and cheese, mixed vegetables. And Jalen has chicken breast fried with mixed vegetables and mac and cheese. And I have the same as Chris has, basically. Sweet potato, mixed vegetables with cheese, mac and cheese. And I have half of a chicken breast and half of a country fried steak. I wanted both. We still have some work to do, but I just wanted to show you all some of the progress. I know it doesn't look like a lot, but we've done some things, or my husband and son has anyway. And then we're going to move this stuff out of the way, of course, and everything is going to be looking spiffy. And once they get it all cleaned up and everything, then I can decorate. And I'm so excited to do that. So hubby and them doing their part of what they are going to do. And then I'm going to come in and just decorate and make it look like something, you know, nice and homey and nice. So we can use it back here. And yeah, it's going to be nice. So hubby just texted me in the house. I think that is so funny when people text in the house.
This is a story of transformation from the life of a wasted child.
You guys, it is Thursday night, April the 30th, and it was so cold here today. We had to wear winter coats outside. And it's a little chilly in the house too. So I'm making some hot cocoa and putting some whipped cream on top. That's gonna be good. It is hot cocoa with a little bit of salted caramel in it and whipped cream. So today we had to make a Home Depot run. We had to get quite a few things for the backyard. Some plants, some topsoil, screen repair kit, concrete sealant solution, a pressure washer for the algae growing on the back of the house, lights for the backyard, spray paint for the chairs, and some other things. So, but we were being safe. Got my gloves and mask on, so does Chris. So browsing the aisle, seeing what else we need before we leave. Yeah. Headed to Dollar Tree. Had to get a few things there for the yard. Time to decorate.
You trying to get my moves for the tattoo?
Someone's roller skating in my garage again.
I gotta get back with some people.
Oh, Lord.
Oh.
Almost took an L.
Don't be running up on me. Oh, I don't never take L's over here, sweetie.
You don't
I may trip, but I
She took 3 L's yesterday.
She took 3 L's yesterday. He said you took 3 L's yesterday. So Draylen's acting as the roller derby queen, getting the groceries with Isaiah. So my little elves got the groceries in, and y'all, oh my goodness. So me and my husband went to Home Depot this morning, and then I went to Dollar Tree and Kroger's and Aldi's. I have been gone all day. I'm tired. I'm hot. I'm dressed hotter than I should be. So I'm about to go in the basement, disrobe, get sanitized, and put these groceries up. Wipe them down. I'm tired, and I feel like a hot mess. So today is the day that things really felt final. That Mickey's passing just really seemed real. We had to go to the funeral home to pick up her remains. She was cremated, so we picked up her ashes. Her mom just was not ready to keep them at her home right now, you know, just not emotionally ready. So she will pick them up from us later when she's ready. And we're going to keep them for now. And this is the beautiful urn that my husband and Mickey's mom picked out for her. And these are the little necklaces with her ashes in them for my husband, Mickey's mom, and Mickey's children. Okay, so let's go on back here and see what they've done today. Oh, Lord, look at the tree. That's where the little tractor, the little thing that, I don't know what you call it, when they put the cement down, the little guy was riding the thing back and forth, so it made tracks in the ground. Oh, Lord. Comes the Terminator. So right here, Chris is making the cover for the raised garden bed. It's almost finished. I have a video coming up on that. So it is coming together. It looks pretty good. He has to make a few more adjustments and he'll be just about done. And look who has come alive and come out of her room.
Hallelujah FM. If you didn't get a chance to check out Hallelujah Highlights Memphis, it's right there on our Facebook page.
So I picked up some flowers the other day at Kroger's. And well, yesterday at Kroger's. And we're keeping them out in the garage. So now that the flower bed is not complete, but the tops, half of the top is, so I'm going to go back and put it on the deck so these can get watered and get some sun.
Got a nice pasta going. It's called a J pasta.
Oh,
just
wow.
in case you didn't know. The pasta just got finished rinsing off in the sink. It's already been cooked. Got some cut up chicken. It was already marinated, and it was also cooked in the bell peppers, the mushrooms, and the onions. So I'm gonna put that together with some cheese and some cream of chicken. And voila, pasta de J. Period.
Nice. Very, very nice.
Yeah, my mom be trying to act like I don't do this cooking stuff.
Oh, Lord Jesus.
But I do.
You do? Okay, how often do you do this? Never. Huh? Never.
I actually wing this recipe.
Uh-huh. But you look partial.
I just,
Oh, oh shoot. Oh shoot. Oh Lord Jesus.
I really just looked up chicken recipes, and then I got the pasta idea. So.
Okay.
Excuse me.
And dinner is served. What do you call it?
Pasta de la J.
Okay. Pasta de la J. Looks good. Oh, low. Okay.
Mama.
Yes.